Blue Diamond 35-ton log splitter is a brutally strong splitter for tackling the hardest woods. The wedge options include a straight wedge or a high-production 4-way wedge. The protected 35-ton cylinder features a 5-inch bore and a 32-inch stroke to allow up to a 30-inch piece of wood to be split. This unit is built for heavy use with oversized greasable pins, extremely heavy sliders, and a reinforced quick attach. The overall attachment weighs 969 pounds without a wedge.